What's up, everybody? Today is Black Friday. Good job, babe. Like I stated, today is Black Friday. We're on our way to go getting some house stuff. I'm gonna give you guys a little, not to say tour of the place yet, but we got a bed. Shout out to Randy and Sophie. They bought us a bed for Christmas. In order for them to do that, we have to go on a cruise. That's gonna cost damn near 5 times the cost of that bed. But it's okay. That's in July. So for now, we got a bed to sleep on. It should be in a couple of days. Yeah. But all in all, let's get today's vlog started with Chick-fil-A breakfast. What? Oh, she's so happy.
Oh, I love Chick-fil-A. Ooh, ooh, girl, he got me Chick-fil-A. I think he want me.
Come on, babe.
All right, boo. Make sure you wear protection. Okay? Bracelet up.
Where the one I got you?
Oh, yeah, they're right here. It's a joyous occasion. It must be the holidays because I'm not driving, so that sounds good to me. Vlog world. All right, we're tuning back in. What's up, everybody? We're tuning back in. We're just now leaving Bravo. It's a supermarket, if you are familiar with that. It's like one of those, I would say international market. Yeah, I want to be political and say Spanish. Zosh a racist. Can't be racist. Well, babe, all I do is slang Spanish tang. You hear me? Yeah, now we're going to Sam's Club. So far we spent like what, 300 bucks? We went to Aldi's.
313. Spent
140 there. When left Bravo, spent 172. And now we're going to Sam's Club. So I guess for first-time homeowners, I guess when you move into your first home or like move into any home, yeah, the initial first shopping is expensive. So beware of that, and make sure you have credit cards.
Yeah.
Because
back up.
Yeah, and that's primary. My shit's almost maxed out.
No, babe, not primary. Primary should be your debit card.
No, primary should be. Keep straight. Where are you going?
Oh,
Primary should be your credit card. I watched a video and it was like, yo, use your credit card. Never use your debit card. Use your credit card. It was a video and it made so much sense.
Yeah, it makes sense because I mean, yeah.
You use their money.
Well, yeah, but you also want to make sure you have the funds to pay your credit
Of
card.
course, don't be stupid.
Yeah.
But like always, if you can, use your credit card. You build credit. The whole American system is built off slaves and credit.
And like,
everything. Credit, everything.
Yeah, but
because if you buy something and you're not satisfied with it, you can also always dispute it. And that saves you a lot of trouble. Yeah, I like credit cards. I prefer to use credit cards over debit cards. Now we at Sam's Club. What are we gonna get at Sam's? You know, the typical toilet paper, a bunch of bulk stuff. $9. Lemon, lime, and pamplemousse grapefruit.
If they have the coconut one, then yes, but no.
Coconut. Jawata. Wata. Drink the coconut.
So this is a garbage bag.
Oh shit, we need trash bags. We got some stuff, bro. We have probably like $600 worth of 12 items in our cart right now. That's the thing of buying wholesale, pretty much, or you buying bulk. This adds up quick. Yeah, you have to go out. Yeah. I'll wait till I get to Walmart. Should be cheaper, but yeah, we are doing it. Yes, sir. Fuck. I just had an anxiety attack. Oh Lord, bro.
I'll be like, yeah. Hell yeah, you wanna watch me?
Here's my channel, bro. First item, $20.
Like,
$2.31. Not bad. Not bad. We're loaded up with $533 worth of stuff today. So we got out all the food, we got cat stuff out the way, and laundry stuff. We got Tupperware, yeah, home essential stuff.
We just need a couch.
Yeah, a couch. I'm gonna try to buy us a TV today. I'm gonna see if I can find something to get a TV. Get us a nice TV too. Because we already have one TV that's in my room. We'll put that either in the front room.
No, let's put the new TV in the
front room.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell no. Damn, babe, look at the Corolla. That shit fresh.
That's actually pretty nice.
What? Get out.
I said it's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to get out. That is nice to you? That shit fire. You talking about that's nice? You sick. All homeboy needs is some wheels, and he'll be straight.
Yeah, he need a good
and the wing gotta go, and the louvers in the back gotta go. But the body kit look good on it though.
Like Babe says, that shit trash.
Don't say that, babe. He probably a fan of my channel. We talking shit. I'm not talking shit. I think it's nice.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, I mean, all he really needs is some wheels to get rid of the spoiler. And I mean, he can keep the louvers in the back, but he gets some wheels on that thing will look nice. I'm not even talking poo-poo. I think that'd be fresh. Okay, so we're at the new place, but I ain't gonna show y'all too much. I guess I could. Nope. I'll do like an official thing, because it's right now it is open. Hey, this is Liv, this is Tigger.
Luna.
She's probably in the right there.
Luna.
Hi, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Luna.
This room's gonna be the podcast, zoshmfg / her business esthetician room right here. And yeah, that's just what's going on.
Facials, babe.
Now what you doing? What you doing? Well, this is the kitchen area. This is what's going on. And then that's the laundry area over there. I'll give you guys a real house tour though later on once we get things settled in. But yeah, we can knock those things off. Put better stuff, probably get new appliances later on the road, and there's all stuff that we gotta mock up. Set right here, and then this door is the other bath or the shower, and then this is the room.
Move just the other way. Carl said that Ethan put her in a chokehold and dragged her off the driveway.
Oh wow, yeah, you did, bro.
Yeah, I know. This one up.
You did?
This side.
Hey, bro. I'm gonna clickbait this entire video. I'm gonna say John drove
10 hours
10
North
hours.
Carolina to come get a sticker.
That's gonna be the thing. That's it, bro. I'm like, he drove 10 hours for this.
Nah, but for real though, I did come down here for this.
Crazy. That's John, though.
Cause who comes 10 hours and don't come visit you, you know? Every time I'm down here, I'm like, yo, where you at?
Yeah, that's true. I'll always be home.
You want to pop the hood?
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Pause. Fire. Pop the bonnet. While you was gone, I became Jamaican.
I heard. I watched that last video.
Yeah, bro. So you gotta say.
What happened? What's the story behind it?
I met a guy named Fred. And I was like, and I'd be like, yo, I got to jack my car up. He's like, what?
Xbox with Fred, right?
Are you playing Xbox with Fred?
Yeah, you don't even know who I am, but I'm playing Xbox with Fred. Because Rob be playing Xbox.
Oh, yeah, so yeah. Rob always on Xbox.
I'm like, you still got that doo-doo Integra? Yeah, man, I still got it.
That's Rob.
You drive
He won't sell me it. My girl wanted an Integra. He won't sell me it.
He's like, it's something easy, but yeah, I gotta fix it. Fix it.
So this is John's LSV. I mean B20V. B16 head.
B16.
Yep. What top unit is that? GSR or B16?
GSR.
Oh, with a B16 trans. Damn.
Yeah, shit.
Screaming.
Should have seen it when my exhaust broke, bro. It broke like 7 hours away from here.
Sheesh.
He didn't have a welding guy, but the guy that was there,
He did what he had to
yo,
do.
my cousin welds and he's in town. He's like, would you be willing to let him do it?
Oh,
and bro,
John, you a goat.
he's like, bro, if you go look at the weld on that exhaust, bro, on the back end of it, it's fucking disgusting compared to everything else that I've had done on my car.
Then you gotta get that one piece to like go right.
Flush. Yeah, I gotta move.
That's good though, dude. My boy John a beast. That's it, in the flesh. What a day. It's only 5:50 and we're on our way back to, well, we're going to Walmart now to pick up the rest of the
Marshalls.
Okay, so we're going to Marshall's first. And then we're going to go to Walmart. We're going to pick up some rest of the home goods stuff for the place. And yeah, bro. That's what's going on. I'm exhausted. I gotta edit this vlog to post today too. Yada 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 yada. But it's 5 o'clock, almost 6. This vlog's pretty decent. You guys see how my day was. Recording this on a Friday, so the day I upload is the day you watch this. I probably won't upload Saturday and Sunday, so that's not bad. I upload like 4 videos this week, 5 videos. Then I upload it every day. Monday, Tuesday. I upload it every day. Monday, Tuesday, I upload it Monday, I think. Tuesday I uploaded, Wednesday I uploaded, Thursday I uploaded. That's not bad. I'm doing pretty decent. So Saturday and Sunday I probably won't upload. I'm waiting for my new lens to come in. I'll probably film Saturday because I got some stuff for the bumper coming in so I can put my conversion front end on. Damn, never mind. I'm going to be daily vlogging. I need a MacBook. I'm asking Randy if I can borrow his MacBook.
Oh, you have to do the firm thing.
Yeah, I gotta do that too. I think I'm gonna buy a MacBook, but
Now we're gonna do our YouTube video.
yeah, I gotta start the new YouTube channel
Business stuff.
and her business stuff. I'm so tired. Buy merch, Black Friday sale. You 25% off. I just dropped hoodies. I got motorsport banners. Leaving Walmart,
We've been here for 2 hours.
and we have all this stuff.
$900 later.
$900 later. Actually, $1,800. Actually, $2,000 later.
Yeah.
I got baby boo a MacBook. I had a Best Buy credit card. And I had a sponsor deal coming up too, so I'm gonna pay that off right away. Huge thank you to Hybrid. Thank you guys. You guys got baby girl a MacBook. And my mom bills paid for the month. So thank you to you guys for using my discount code and stuff like that. That's good. Yeah, when you buy merch, it helps too. You guys actually can support your creator. It's okay. And the best way to support me is just watching the videos, liking, subscribing, all that fun jazz. What a day! What a day! They gonna think I'm rich for real, babe. They gonna think that I be lying.
Oh, we just work hard.
Well, you do. This is all on baby girl's credit card. They gonna be like, damn, Zosh, you always saying that you ain't got money, this, that. I mean, that's true. I'm not wealthy. Yeah, I gotta pay this shit back. Please hit the like button, bro. I tell y'all my finances and stuff like that because I want y'all to show where I'm coming from, and then when I actually do make it, you guys can see the work I put in, my work ethic, the way I got there, because there's not really a lot of cool success stories on YouTube. It's like, oh, my daddy was a lawyer, so he funded me my first car and parts so he can get me started on YouTube. And yeah. Me, my mom ain't have that luxury. I didn't grow up with that luxury, and this is what I'm trying to showcase to other minorities out there that we could be part of the majority and stuff like that. Baby, it'll fit. So we're now waiting on Randy because that is not gonna fit in the big body of board. So now we just wait for Randy built. All right, Randy came through. Now we're on our way to drop off the goods.